Alright guys, it's time, okay? Tonight, 10:30 p.m, we're gonna have some US data coming. And stay tuned because this will change the direction of the market and how the Fed will, approach the monetary policy from now on. So stay with me until the end and give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel that I will give you the gold information that everyone is wanting. Where is the US dollar heading? All right, where is the US dollar heading after the massive, rally that we did ahead on USA after the shooting, assassination attempt on Trump on Saturday on US Pennsylvania? Where is the US dollar heading? We do have a busy agenda, all right, not too busy, but we still have a bit of a business coming up this week. Tonight, as I just say, we do have some data coming up from US. On Thursday, we do gonna have ECB rate decision, and we do have some inflation data coming from New Zealand as well. That's gonna be decisive if the RBNZ will rate or will cut the rates or will maintain the rates as same. So stay with me that you will know where the direction of the US dollar is heading to this week. Now, guys, so after yesterday's video, if you haven't yet watched it, I highly suggest you to go at the channel right now, pause this video and go to the channel, ACY Securities channel, of course, this one, and watch the latest video I've just posted about the Trump assassination attempt, and then you will understand what just happened it was all over the media, but some people still don't, some people still don't know what is happening. So do yourself a favor, go and watch this video and then come back later on this one. Now, of course, this will bring a lot of volatility to the market, but we can't forget as well that yes, this is a very, very immaculate scenario that doesn't happen often. Well, the last one that tried to have an assassination attempt was in 1980 or 1981. That was ages ago, all right? More than 40 years ago already. So this is, a very rare case to happen. So yes, it did happen. And we can't do anything about it, but we can't forget already that we do have a week to follow. We can't only be stuck on that. Trump is well, Trump is good. There's nothing else to fear about of this. So, all it rests to us now, it's get this context on the market and understand what this will impact the US dollar on the US economy. Now, we do have US retail sales coming up tonight at 10:30 p.m. I have the data here in front of me, and I will be reading the consensus and the expectations of the market for you guys. So, we do have retail sales month over month, the month of June, expected to come at negative 0.3% as the previous was 0.1%. So yes, the market is expecting a decline on the retail sales from USA, highly because of the inflation numbers that we got last week on Thursday. So highly because of this release, okay, market is expecting that inflation have been subdued, therefore people are not spending too much, so inflation get controlled. But I don't think this is the scenario, I don't think this is the case for now, right? Look, if we do have consensus as, if we do have the release as met consensus, then yes, we won't have much activity on the market, or much volatility on the market happening tonight. But if we don't meet the consensus, it's a bit higher or a bit lower, definitely this will bring a lot of more volatility than I'm expecting tonight, 10:30 p.m. So what my take on the retail sales is we're gonna have a still negative retail sales, but most probably a bit better of what has been expected, and therefore will be strengthening the US dollar index and of course US dollar economy. Therefore, all the base currencies or all the quote currencies that have US dollar on the Forex pair will be, pretty much if it's euro dollar will probably go down, GBP USD will probably go down, if it's USD JPY will probably go up, if it's USDCAD will probably go up as well. Something that it's interesting to see, something that is interesting to note is that yes, the commitments of traders have changed positions, all right? So the leverage funds have changed the positions from negative, holding more shorts than longs, from holding more longs than short this past week. So yes, they are probably expecting something that we are not expecting, okay? And this is very intriguing for me, because if the banks, if the leverage funds, hedge funds, institutional clients, institutional approaches to the market are buying US dollars, why wouldn't I buy US dollars? So this is one of the questions that I've been thinking about it this week when I saw the commitments of traders release on Monday, yesterday. I was like, okay, but if they are buying US dollars, so that must be probably because we're going to be having a bullish scenario on the US economy, and they know already that Trump will be winning these elections because of the assassination attempt, and this will bring up Trump's voters, and elections will be going more. Odds are that the Trump will get the election, or will win the presidential election. So it's just food for thought, all right? You may have your opinion, and I'm definitely hungry to listen to this, so please put down in the comments, and I will be highly attentive to any comments, and we'll be answering those comments as well. Now, we're going to have Canada CPI as well at 10:30 as the same release of the USA retail sales. And tomorrow we're going to have 7 p.m. CPI year over year and month over month for Europe, expected to come a bit lower than what it was the year over year. So the previous was 2.5 and the consensus now is 2.5. The previous was 2.9 and the consensus now is 2.5. So definitely to pay attention on that if you are a big trader on euro and of course the US dollar. And then after that on Thursday, I can't believe that it's already Tuesday today, and then Thursday and then Friday, and this is it for the week. We do going to have the ECB monetary policy interest rates decision, okay? So the market is expecting no changes, but stay tuned with us on the channel, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and put the bell notification so every time we upload a video, you don't lose time and you're right across here, because I will get more information as well for you guys, as well for myself, and then I will be interpreting this and putting it into context and giving to you about the ECB. So stay tuned, because maybe tomorrow or Wednesday video or Thursday morning video will be definitely a key approach towards the ECB. All right, guys, hopefully you guys are having a beautiful week. Don't forget that we do have webinars on Tuesdays and Thursday. Hopefully I'm gonna be seeing you tonight. And if you have any questions, just put down in the comments. I will be reading those questions and answering as I've always done. All right. Thank you so much for watching us, and see you tonight on the webinar, or I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.